Hi there, and welcome to this Zoog tutorial, where we will be learning how to create and share a Zoog. So, let's jump right into the app. We're greeted with the Create page, where we can explore some new and featured Zoogs. As we scroll on down to Books, I'm going to choose Winnie the Pooh to read. We'll instantly see a preview of what the book will look like. If we scroll down, we will also be able to see a description of the book, as well as the chapters available. If we click Glimpse, then we can read the book and decide if we like it. This one looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to choose to record. Now I get a tap to record a button, and when I click it, I get a 3, 2, 1. And just like that, I'm in the story. I can read the text at the bottom. The animations will happen around me, and as I click the blue button on the right-hand side, I can progress through the pages of the book. As I proceed through the story, the animations change, and I can see a bar at the top. That shows my progress in the story. When I reach the end of the story, I can click the green button in order to finish, and instantly see my creation. I can now move to the next chapter, share my recording, or I can pause in order to record again from the start, or exit this story. And now I can click and share it and choose to send it as a text message, just like any other text. I can choose who I send it to and simply deliver it. The recipient can watch it on any device at any time.